here, this track. And got $2,000 bracket race. Satellite looked good. Let's go. Ooh. Alright guys, so they're just inconsiderate. Out here at Holly Springs, we're only going to get one official time trial, which we already got. I forgot to turn on the GoPro. A lot of stuff happened, but Dad came through and got video with the phone. So good for him, or good for us, I guess. But I'll make sure the GoPro's on. Car is about 2/10 slow. Not exactly sure why. It feels fine. It's not missing. Goes through there good. I don't know. Ran a 751 the first pass, and then I just hot lapped it, brought it right back up, and then it went to 754, which is about what I expect. The tire pressure was almost 14 pounds. 60 foot's bad slow, and it's down about 2 to 3 mile an hour. I hope it's not hurt, but we're gonna put a 751 on it and let it ride, and I'm gonna drive it in case it, starts acting right. Hopefully not like last week where I let out and let him pass me like a dummy. But I don't know what the problem is. So there's like a 60 cars I think in foot brake. It's the class we're running, and there's about 100 in pro. This is about 20 minutes into pro's time trial, and all those cars over there are pro cars. So big crowd. Just gonna keep doing what we do, and have fun today. That's what it's all about. It'd be nice to win, cool, but we're here to have fun. So jump on to round one, baby. All right, ladies and gents, GoPro's working this time. First round, we got the Saturn. We got the glasses. It's a good day. Any day racing is a good day. good. I truly believe that. Hey guys, so 474, that's a red, and it broke out, went 749. So we bought back in. We're putting a 49 on the car, and I ain't getting beat again. Come on, Tony. Tony's our buddy. He's the dude with the wagon. He's also got a pretty sick Barracuda.
38 power separator up front. One light. Mike Epperson.
Dang.
46.
Dang. All right. We'll go into round 2. Go. All right. Welcome back. We are going up round 2. I still have not won a race, a single round all year. I guess this is my second race, but still, it's a little upsetting. Come on, Tony. There's Tony up there with the blue and white wagon. Oh my. Unless it broke out. Don't know yet. We'll find out. It's 2 weekends in a row this year I go racing. We lose first and second round. Dang. In my defense, I got a pep talk that said from 2 people that I trust very much, and if they talk about racing, I tend to listen. They said, don't lift, trust in the car. I didn't lift. I did pat it a couple times. I think four total times, and it broke out. Oh well. Hey, it's all about fun, baby. We could have bought back in, but I really didn't want to spend another $60 to buy back in just to lose the next round. $60 a pass is not, it's not that fun. So we're headed back north. We're going back to Tennessee. It was fun. I love Holly Springs. I'll definitely go back. The bracket racing's cool, but I really love like I want my car. So we're gonna keep on bracket racing till we get my car put together. Which, I just ran over like a whole case of beer or something. Anyway, once we get my car together, we're gonna test it a lot get it all dialed in, and then we're going to go complete world domination. Me and Brian are going everywhere, and we're dominating everything. So, all right, guys, that's going to do it for us. I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.